women experience thinning hair at various stages of their life: pregnancy, postpartum, or perimenopause. For some of us, the trauma of past hair loss sets off an internal panic. Years of medical school, residency, and stress had finally taken their toll, and I found myself balding at the age of 28. It's incredibly unnerving to have people speak to you while staring at the top of your head. Trust me, you notice when someone is looking at your scalp and not at your eyes. My hair loss journey began my journey to healing and redirected my medical path. I did fix my hair after learning all about the connections between our hair health and nutrition, gut function, and hormones. After all these years of studying and learning about hair regeneration and regrowth, here are my 7 top foods for healthy hair, many of which I included in my book, What Doctors Eat. Number 1 on the list, one of my favorites, is avocados. I was a child of the 80s, and fat-free was the dietary goal of that decade. It took years for me to finally understand how important fats are to female health, especially hair health. Signs of a fat deficiency include dry, brittle, or easily damaged hair that literally disappears in your hands. Rich in omega-9 fats and vitamin E, avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, increasing hair moisture and resilience. Vitamin E also increases circulation to the scalp by increasing scalp capillaries. Add about 1/2 of an avocado to your daily diet and watch your hair glow. Eggs. Eggs are a hair superfood. High in protein, B vitamins, and fats, eggs provide complete nutrition for optimal hair growth. Eggs are also one of the best sources of biotin, the ultimate hair nutrient for thick and healthy hair. I can always tell when a patient is not getting enough protein or B vitamins by examining their hair and doing a quick pull test. If I can take a strand of hair and easily break it, the hair fix calls for better nutrition. Add about 3 to 4 servings of eggs in your diet weekly for a boost of protein, healthy fats, and B vitamins. Lentils, a great vegetarian source of protein. Lentils contribute to hair health with their unique combination of zinc, B vitamins, and amino acids. The key nutrient in lentils is folic acid, or B9. As we learn more about folic acid, we're discovering it's one of the B vitamins that seems to improve oxygenation of the scalp and hormone regulation. Add a few servings of lentils weekly for shiny hair. Lentil soups or lentil burgers also make great vegetarian options for lunch or dinner. Red meat and iron deficiency. This is a part of my story. This can trigger hair loss and prevent hair regrowth. Absorbing and metabolizing iron can be difficult. That's the reason why so many vegetarians and vegans are low in ferritin, which is the protein that reflects the nutritional stores of iron. Hair that maybe crumbles easily in your hands or is changing color may have iron deficiency at its root. The best way to boost your iron stores is by consuming 1 to 2 servings of red meat weekly. Choose from grass-fed beef, lamb, or goat for their high omega-3 content and see visibly stronger and brighter hair within 4 to 6 weeks. Coconut oil is a healthy hair must-have. It contains medium-chain triglycerides that balance gut bacteria, helping us digest our food better and absorb nutrients. Try adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil per day to balance your belly and to fix your hair. Almonds, I just downed a handful just a few minutes ago, but almonds, remember, are high in magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-3s, and almonds provide hair a nutritional boost. Vitamin E helps hair to maintain that shiny outer coat, while magnesium improves blood supply to the scalp. Research shows that hair follicles require magnesium to regenerate. Just munching on 7 to 10 almonds per day can provide most of the daily requirements for both magnesium and vitamin E. If you don't like raw almonds, try almond butter or almond oil instead. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, providing protein, omega-3 fats, and vitamin D. Another player in the hair fix. Vitamin D aids absorption of iron and may prevent female hair loss. Add 2 to 3 servings of salmon weekly to promote hair growth. Now that you know the top 7 foods to help your hair health, we've created a playlist of what hair loss responds to. I'll see you on the next video.